And so with events, wedding banquets and holiday reservations being cancelled on the back of the coronavirus situation, how has the hotel industry been affected? Well, let's speak with Jean-Philippe Jacopin, General Manager of Orchard Hotel. Thank you very much for joining us, Mr. Jacopin. Can you elaborate on the impact that your hotel is feeling so far?
Yes, thank you, Glenda. And Chinese New Year is a very big period for hotel, and the coronavirus outbreak has certainly affected our hotel and resulted in cancellation of events. Some guests have also chosen to cancel the travel plan and their room bookings. Our management is reviewing the cancellation from the individual hotel on a daily basis. That being said, we still have many events, room booking in the upcoming months, so we should see the bright thing ahead of us.
Mr. Jacopin, you mentioned there that the cancellations and the bookings, they're all being reviewed, but how far ahead are you seeing cancellations coming in? For example, are we already seeing cancellations for holiday bookings or events as far as the second half of this year?
Yes, indeed. The cancellation started in January, and we can already see cancellations coming in February, March, and April. We are quite happy with events, as today a lot of events did not really cancel, they just postponed. So we can see the bright things will definitely back on track, I would say, in few months. So that is very, very positive.
Well, I want to talk about the business contingency plans. What has Orchard Hotel put in place so far to, ensure sufficient contingency and at the same time make sure that your staff, they're well protected? For example, do you have segregation of teams?
Well, having gone through SARS, our hotel are more prepared to deal with such current situation. We review our action plan daily to ensure quick and appropriate measures are taken if the situation worsens. The safety of our guests, patrons, and employees is of utmost importance to us, and then we will not spare any cost to clean and disinfect our premises. We have increasing cleaning frequency and intensity of our sanitization regime in all our guest rooms, public area, and guest facilities. Special attention has also been put in place to sanitize public area contact points such as elevator button, reception, counter, conference, meeting room. For our guests, convenience are also providing hand sanitizer in guest contact area such as the lobby, the restaurant, the bar, and medical masks and gloves are available for guests upon request. Our employees have been briefed on the guideline provided by the local health authority. Front desk are equipped with infrared thermometers to conduct temperature check on guests. Employees, supplier, costs are unwell, and with any symptom of fever or flu problems will be definitely asked to consult the doctor immediately. For overseas guests, our hotel team will assist to call the doctor if necessary.
Mr. Jacopin, many have speculated about when we might see the end of this outbreak, but nobody really knows. If the situation were to persist for months to come, how concerned are you about the impact that we're going to see on hotels such as yours, and what has your hotel group done to be able to cushion the effect from a business point of view?
Well, what we have already put in place is a situation will be like this. We do have, first of all, contingency plan for the continuity of the business. If the situation worsens, our hotel will consider scheduling and vacation planning to our team member. In terms of the customer employee, we have prepared at least 2 rooms as holding room for isolation when needed, if needed. And if a guest has the fever, they will be advised to stay in their own rooms till the ambulance arrives. The room and the other relevant area will then be disinfected thoroughly. We are very grateful. The Singapore government has stepped into help on the businesses during this difficult time. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you, the Tourist Board, to their effort. And I am absolutely certain that Singapore will become stronger on the recovery very soon.
All right, Mr. Jacopin, thank you very much for sharing that with us this evening. We've been speaking there to Mr. Jean-Philippe Jacopin. He is General Manager of the Orchard Hotel.